I'm new to this, so I'm still trying to figure it out. I just came back from the Necker's Jewelers Diamond Dash. 6th annual, or 9th annual. Wow, wow. I just got the Birchbox, August Birchbox. I love how they put on here the Sunny Emily Olive. Again, I'm new to all this, so we're going to be unboxing this box. Not sure how you go about doing it. I'm assuming pull off the edges. People make it look so much harder than it is. Or maybe it's just this one works. Oh, found out why. They don't want you to get into this one. They make you think it's going to be easy, and it's just not. Holy cow. All right. So, here's the Birchbox. This is my first time with subscriptions, and this is the first one I've gotten. I also have some For a Play on the way, and I have a subscription to Ipsy and BoxyCharm coming. So, it looks like it's the welcome Birchbox. We can't wait to go on this exciting beauty journey with our amazing subscribers, you. So it's got a list of what these are on it. Let's start with this congested skin serum. It says, let's see if I can, the skin serum by Balance Me. And it looks like that is $23 full size. It's a calming serum that doubles as a spot treatment, banishes blemishes, refines pores, and balances skin without drying it out. I guess it smells amazing. Where's the smell? It smells alright. The next thing I have here is Roller Lash Black Mascara by Benefit. Benefit's a really good product. Let's see. And it's the Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. The full size is $24. This mascara's brush is made with tiny, soft hooks which instantly catch, curl, and separate each lash. Wiggle the wand from base to tip and then curl up for extra lift. I could use that. I like to try and make my lashes longer than they look, or than they actually are. Make them look longer than they actually are. This is a cute little bottle. I'm gonna pull it out of here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's real thin, but it's rounded. See? It's real small and rounded. Let's try it out. The next thing I have in here is the Wave. Not sure if I'm saying that correctly. Wave spray. The full size is $26. Get effortlessly tousled waves with this weightless texturizing mist that's formulated sand salt. Spritz onto damp or dry strands. It says you can do it on dry hair. And it's supposed to, I don't know. I guess I have lots of hair back here. It's already a little wavy. I don't know if it's giving me a beach look or not. The next thing I have is this Melon and Goats, or Goets. It's a grapefruit face cleanser. Comes in a 0.5 fluid ounce, and this one is the grapefruit face cleanser. The full size is $36. The amino acid based cleanser is made with naturally antibacterial grapefruit to prevent blemishes, while hydrating glycerin and sodium PCA soften the skin. And last but not least in this one is Manna Kadar Cosmetics Lip Locked Stain in Manna Babe. Manna Babe. It says have your full lip routine covered with this primer, lip stain, and gloss hybrid that ensures your lips stay hydrated and smooth all day with long-lasting magenta hue. This one, full size, it says is $24. Let's see. Wow, that's pink. I don't know, guys, if I'd ever wear this. Not sure how it looks on me, but not too bad, I guess. You also, I guess, you can buy things from Birchbox, and it says, don't forget, you get 15% off your first $35 plus purchase in our shop while using code SHOP15 at checkout. And it says that you can fill out your beauty profile online. These are just the sample sizes that you get in your box. You should get about 5 every month. You have to go to there and fill out your beauty profile, and then it says to shop your favorites and get 10% back, and then earn $5 for 5 reviews. So you'll receive 50 loyalty points when you review your first 5 samples. Share your feedback so we can get to know what you like. So hopefully they'll kind of put it more to what I like. I personally do not need a whole lot of skincare. I kind of stuck with BioClarity for a long time now. So skincare, personally, I don't really need them. I am not a fan of this only because I don't do a whole lot with my hair unless it's straight and I straighten it, or it's naturally wavy itself. I don't know if I need a wave spray to help with that. I'm still gonna try it, but I just don't know if I will need any hair stuff. So the only 2 products I really liked this month is this roller lash. Anything I can find that's got a lash to it. I love mascara and eyeliner. And then this lipstick, which is still not sure, but we'll see. Thank you guys for watching, and I will post another one once I get my Ipsy or Sephora play or my BoxyCharm. Whenever I get those, I'll be posting another one. Until then, bye!